How to automate your tasks on the Windows operating system. In this channel we provide you with an easy to follow and easy to understand video tutorials that show how to create automated jobs for a variety of tasks using Automation Workshop app. Learning has never been easier. It does not matter if you are a home user or an IT system administrator working at the Fortune 500 company. These videos will show you how to work smarter by automating recurring and repetitive manual tasks. Computers are good at doing the work we find hard or boring. And computers make less mistakes. Automation is the future of work, and the future is now. Be part of it. Subscribe to our channel now. It is free, and you can always change your mind.